Welcome to Madhu's Plate YouTube cooking channel. Do you like to eat coconut toffee? If you like, come with me. This is sugar 500 grams, coconut 400 grams. First you have to grind the sugar and coconut. I have already done it. If you have fresh milk, vanilla and food coloring, you can add. If you don't have, forget it. You can make coconut toffee by using only coconut and sugar. I will put sugar into the pan and coconut. Combine the sugar and coconut. Stir to dissolve the sugar. Don't cooking. Look at this, it's melted now. I'm going to switch on the flame. Place the pan over medium heat. Let the mixture come to a boil. If you have, you can add fresh milk, 2 tablespoons. By adding fresh milk, it will be very tasty. Mix well. I will add vanilla also. Add yellow food coloring. You can add any color you want. If you don't like to add food coloring, don't put. Stir in the toasted mixture and mix well until the coconut is evenly coated with the toffee. Keep a close eye on it to prevent burning. This is prepared baking sheet. Pour the hot toffee mixture onto the prepared sheet. Spread it out evenly using a greased spatula or back of a spoon. Cut coconut toffee into the small pieces. Mmm. Look at this. It's very tasty. If you like my video, please subscribe and like me.